A3 activity on page number 20. He committed the crime in broad daylight, not bright daylight or narrow darkness. He committed crime in in broad daylight. It is the correct use of the words. Don't comment unnecessary remarks in chat box. Okay. Rohan Yadav, who is there? Don't comment like that. Here, in broad daylight is more appropriate than bright daylight or narrow darkness. So correct use of the term, this term is called as collocation. We should use this term as in broad daylight. Okay, see on page number 21, I had a cup of strong tea, not rich tea. If I have cup of strong tea is more correct. You shouldn't say rich tea. I have cup of strong tea. Then the fast train. The fast trains. You can't say quick train. The fast train is coming. What is it actually? Such words or group of words which habitually occur together and thereby convey meaning by the occasions are called collocations. Collocations are the word which habitually occurs together and thereby convey meaning by association are called as collocation. A collocation is combination of words in a language that often go together. Collocation is nothing but the combination of the words in the language that often come together. Okay. See, here are some words. Collocation म्हणजे असे words की जे नेहमी आपण कलेक्टिव्हली एकत्र कॉम्बिनेशन मध्ये एकत्र त्या टर्म आपण यूज करतो कम्युनिकेशन मध्ये. Here are some words given in column A and some words given in column B. You have to match that word and make appropriate collocation over there. हे वर्ड्स मॅच करायचे आहेत आणि त्याच्यावरून appropriate collocation तयार करायचे आहे. ओके. How can you match the word regular? Regular, correct exercise, correct regular exercise. Then midday meal, very good. Midday meal, Zui, correct. I'm not going to take your names because we took very slow lecture yesterday. Okay, you continue to respond in chat box. It is actually in front of me. I observe those your chats in the chat box. Okay, then key concept, very good. Then fast food, very good. Try hard, correct. Then richly decorated, Zui, correct. Richly decorated. Then free time, good Ashutosh, good. Then traffic jam, correct. Social animal, correct. Social justice, sorry, social justice, correct. Animal incorrect आहे. Social justice. Then wild animal. Okay, these are regular exercise, midday meal. Then key concept, fast food, try hard, richly decorated, free time, traffic jam, social justice, and wild animal. These are the collocations, these are the combination of the word we use in our communication, in our day-to-day communication. Okay. See, learning collocation is essential for making your English sound fluent and natural. If you want to speak that fluent English, it is necessary to know, necessary to learn different collocations in English. Make collocations and use in your own sentences. You can frame different sentences by making the collocations. Here is two words given on page number 21. Two words are given over there, big and well. How can you make those associated words, related word to these two words, big and well? See, like big mistake, well dressed. These are the collocations we can construct, we can make with the help of these words. How can you make more word? Well done. Okay. Big world, big fan, big budget. Correct. Anything else? Big tree. Okay. Big opportunity. Okay. Then don't use those words as you use adjective before, as you use adjective before any of the noun. Collocations are the words we use in our daily communication. Okay. Big tree, big valley. More than that, you can say big news, big opportunity. You already write that response in chat box. Big deal, right? Big news, correct? Big new name, big news, big boss. Okay. Big bazaar. Okay. And then what's about well? Well dressed is one of the word. How can you write more words by using the word well? Collocation by using well. Well dressed is one there. Well adjusted, well made, well played, well done, well danced, well known, very good, well mannered, well known, right? Also well, you can write well qualified, right? Well equipped, well qualified, well equipped, well known, well done, right? Well cooked. Actually, after well, after well, you have to write that third form of the verb, that is the past participle of the verb after well, like well known, right? Well dressed, well qualified, well equipped, well and well cooked, well pleased, well surprised, well done, well danced. There should be past participle you use after that verb. Well honored, right? Many of your responses are correct. Well educated, very good. Then next activity, sometimes while using, yes, your responses are correct, you are writing correct responses in your chat box. Many of the responses are correct. It is not possible to me to read each and every that you are responding in the chat box, but some of those correct response I read before. Okay. Sometime while using a word in a sentence, we have to change its word class. While using the word in the sentence, we have to use the word class. We can make several more words from the root words. एका रूट वर्ड पासून आपण बरेच शब्द बनवू शकतो. बरेच दुसरे शब्द बनवू शकतो. We can make several new words from the root words. See one of the example given here. I asked Sumit to my pencil for me. Sharp is the word given in a bracket, which will be the correct response you have to write in a box. Very good. Pranjali, Pratiksha, Murudula, Supriya, Vinashri. You responded correctly. Your responses are correct. I asked Sumit to sharpen my pencil for me. Correct. Very good. See some more tasks given here. Now read the following sentences and use the word given in a bracket. Change the word class and rewrite the sentences. Lina was eating a very apple and obviously enjoying it. Crunch is the word given in a bracket. Crunchy, Alisha, Arya, Pranoti, Rohan, Anisha. Prerna Anjali, yes, you responded correctly. Lina was eating a very crunchy apple and obviously enjoying it. Then second one, yes, Om Sai, your response is correct, but it is not at the appropriate time. Okay, Atharvals. Then this picture looks colorful. Yes, your responses are correct. This picture looks colorful. Then I'm afraid that your behavior is just not acceptable. Supriya, is we correct? I'm afraid that your behavior is just not acceptable. Accept is the verb and you use ABL is suffix after that main verb. Accept, is acceptable is that adjective form. Okay. Then I like my elder brother. He is very helpful. Very good. He is very helpful. Means you use FUL suffix after that stem, that root word help. I like my elder brother. He is very helpful. Okay. So we can construct different sentences by using different those suffix, or we can say affixes to the word, right? Here is one table given. Choose the following table and put across if a word class done does not exist. You have to write different word classes. Okay. Complete the following table and put cross if the word is not existent. Here, see, now one noun form absence is given here. Absence. How can you make the adjective form adverb form? Adjective form is absent, absent or absence. Absence and absently correct. Absence and absently correct. Then alarm. Alarm is the verb. Also, it is the noun alarm. Then alarming is the adjective and adverb is also alarmingly. Ly suffix we use over there. Also absently. Absently is the adverb of absence. Right? Then attraction. Verb form of attraction is Verb form of attraction is attract. Correct. Adjective form attractive. Correct. Attractive is the adjective, and adverb attractively. Correct. Correct. Attractively is the adverb form of the word noun attraction. Then enable. Enable is the verb. Enable. Ability is the noun. Correct. Ability is the noun. Very good. Then able is the adjective. Able is the adjective. And ably, ably is the adverb form. Right. You responded correctly. Many of you responded correctly in the chat box. Remaining verb forms, those noun form and adjective form, adverb form, you have to complete this table of your own. Om Sai, what do you want to say? Om Sai Kadam, big fan, what do you want to say? If anyone is using such kind of comment in a chat box, you will be blocked hereafter. Always keep in mind. You can ask your doubt. Here I read the chat box. Okay, I read every that comment in a chat box. मी फक्त बोलत नाही कोण काय कमेंट करते, पण मी बघतोय समोर चॅट बॉक्स आहे माझ्या, उगाच काहीतरी कमेंट करू नका. रिलेटेड कमेंट करा, डाऊट असेल तरी तुम्ही विचारू शकता, टाइमपास करायचा नाही. ओके, राहिलेले जे वर्ड्स आहेत त्याचे वेगवेगळे नाउन फॉर्म, वर्ब फॉर्म, ऍडजेक्टिव्ह फॉर्म, ऍडवर्ब फॉर्म यू कॅन राईट ऑफ युअर ओन. तुम्ही स्वतः ते कंप्लीट करा. सोपं आहे. अगोदरचे आन्सर तुम्ही सगळे सांगितले ते पण येईल. देन सी द नेक्स्ट ऍक्टिव्हिटी. रजिस्टर. Register often refers to degree of formality of language, but in a more general sense, it means the language used by a group of people who share similar work or interests, such as doctor or lawyer. Register in a language is called the language used by the people work in same profession. एकाच प्रोफेशन मध्ये काम करणारे, जे समजा डॉक्टर एक प्रोफेशन आहे, मेडिकल प्रोफेशन आहे, तर ते त्या फील्ड मधले शब्द वेगळेच असतात, लॉयरच्या फील्ड मधले शब्द वेगळेच असतात, राईट. मग ते त्या फील्ड मधले जे शब्द आहेत तर त्याला रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ दॅट मेडिकल फील्ड, रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ दॅट लॉ या प्रकारे म्हटलं जातं. पुढे बघा, इमॅजिन दॅट युअर प्रिन्सिपल ऑर टीचर इज कमिंग. When you meet him, you would never say, hey dude, what's up? Can you say like that? बुकची पीडीएफ आपण लेक्चरच्या सुरुवातीला सेंड केली होती, बरोबर ना? बुकची पीडीएफ अगोदर सेंड केली होती मी, पुन्हा करेन सेंड. Can we say like that to your teachers or principals, hey dude, what's up? आम्हाला तर खूप वाटेल असं बोलावं, पण ते बोलता येत, बरोबर ना? You can say like that. Say there should be friendly relationship with the teacher also, but some kind of manners should be followed by students. So you can't say like, hey dude, what's up to your teacher. This formal situation, so this is formal situation, so you would say good morning sir, good afternoon sir, right? तुम्ही तुमच्या शिक्षकांना कदाचित हे ड्यूड, व्हॉट्सअप किंवा हाय गाइज, वेअर आर यू गोइंग, यू कॅन से लाईक दॅट. यू हॅव टू स्पीक इन फॉर्मल लँग्वेज लाईक गुड मॉर्निंग सर, गुड आफ्टरनून सर, लाईक दॅट. In every situation, You use appropriate expressions. You have to use those appropriate expressions in every situation. Okay. According to person, the language you use when you meet someone depend on their age, position, etc. There are formal and informal registers in spoken and written language. Here are some informal and formal registers given. Write the appropriate expressions and words which you have to use while facing an interview. If you are going to face an interview, what kind of that language will you use? Here, one expression is given. In an interview, you can ask for permission by saying, "May I come in, sir, madam?" Right? You can ask permission by saying, "May I come in, sir, madam?" Same way, what kind of different expressions can you use? Yes. Good morning, sir. Yes. Okay. Good morning, sir, madam. Thank you, sir, madam. Right. Please let me know. May I have a seat? Very good. May I have a seat? Correct. Very good. I'm sorry. Thank you. May I have a seat? May I come in? Pardon. Right. All these expressions you can use while facing an interview. See page number 23. You are writing a letter of complaint. List the proper expressions that you would like to write. If you are writing that letter of complaint letter लिहिताय तुम्ही, मग त्याच्यामध्ये कोणकोणते वेगवेगळे एक्सप्रेशन वापरू शकता तुम्ही? Like I disagree with you. You can write this formal expression over there. What can you write more? Okay, I would like to suggest. Okay, I'm sorry to say that I was very happy to inform you. I'm sorry to say that. Correct. Anything else? I would like to suggest you. I would like to inform you. Correct. I'm sorry to say that. This was not expected from you. Okay, you can use that more polite language, like I'm not totally agree with you. This was not expected by the hardworking person like you. Okay, I'm glad to meet you. I'm glad to inform you. Actually, it is the complaint letter. You can't say I'm glad to meet you over there. You can say I hope. Yes, correct. Means you can use such different expressions. Those expressions are, I'm sorry to say that, I would like to suggest, I'm not totally agree with you, I was not expected by hardworking guy like you, it was not expected, or this was not expected by the hardworking person like you. Yes, Sneha, correct. I'm not totally agree with you. You can say like that also. See, though you are using that formal language over there, but you should not be negative while writing that complaint letter. That is why such kind of expressions are expected from you while writing a letter. Okay. Then distinguish, next activity, distinguish between a legal offense and a moral offense on the basis of the text given. Here in table, legal offense and moral offense are two columns. Burglary is the legal offense and rude behavior is moral offense. Burglary म्हणजे घरफोडी किंवा दरोडा टाकणे, बरोबर. Then how will you add to this list? Violence, legal offense. Very good. Kadam correct. Pratiksha. Assault or disgusty, correct. Pranjali correct. Sakshi correct. Lacerations of feelings, correct. Sneha, Anjali, disrespect. See, actually, tell me those words you can use as a legal offense. Legal offense म्हणून कोणते word? Violence is the legal offense. Burglary is the legal offense. Right? And assault and battery is legal offense. Correct. Box. To box is also legal offense. To make black eye is also legal offense. And what's about that moral offense? Moral offense is laceration. Laceration of one's feeling. Correct. Laceration of one feeling. Also, insult or disgusting, ill manner behavior is moral offense. Rude behavior. Yes. Correct. Bad manners, impoliteness, disrespect, being insolent, very rude behavior, all those are the moral offenses. Legal offense म्हणजे कायदेशीर अपराध, moral offense म्हणजे नैतिक अपराध, नैतिक दृष्ट्या चुकीचा असतो. ओके, तुम्हाला कळलंय बरोबर, तुम्ही रिस्पॉन्ड करताय बरोबर. फाइंड आउट द मीनिंग ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फ्रेजेस, यूज देम इन युअर ओन सेंटेन्सेस. Here, give and take. Give and take. Very easy meaning is there. Lower than the angel. Lower than the angel means less than perfect. This is the term we already discussed, studied in the text. Also, a black eye. Black eye means black portion around the eye because of hitting. Black eye. Knock someone down means box of someone. These are the phrases you can use in your own word. याच्या phrases या text मध्ये पण आहेत. You can construct your own sentences. Okay. Give and take. Yes, बरोबर आहे तुम्ही. Meaning give and take म्हणजे देवाण घेवाण. Okay. You can construct your own sentences by using these phrases in the sentence. Life is a give and take, and you will do well if you focus on giving. Okay. Yes, you can construct your own sentences by using these phrases. Then see the next activity, activity number 6. Find out words with prefixes and suffixes from the text and write them down. Prefix means the word which we use before the stem word, base word, and suffix means the word which join after the stem word. मूळ शब्दाच्या अगोदर जोडला जाणारा प्रत्यय प्रिफिक्स, नंतर जोडला जाणारा प्रत्यय सफिक्स. इथं अनसिव्हिल, अननेसेसरी, इल मॅनर्ड, ill humored, impossible, right? And suffix requirement, appointment, connectivity, connectivity. You can write your own words. It is very easy exercise actually. You can use un, in, this, im, like prefixes also. You can use NESS, LESS, TION, ABLE, like suffixes ly, etc. suffixes to the words. You know those things, prefixes and suffixes. Okay. Then next activity. Complete the table with polite expression that we must use in our day-to-day life. रोजच्या जीवनामध्ये आपण polite expressions कोणकोणते वापरू शकतो त्याची लिस्ट बनवा असं सांगितलेले. बघा इथं you don't say like I want a cup of tea. Instead of saying I want cup of tea, you have to say I would like to have a cup of tea. It is more polite. Okay. To say I would like to have a cup of tea is more polite than you say I want a cup of tea. I want a cup of tea is like the order. And if you say I would like to have a cup of tea, it is more polite. It is like the request. Then send me the mail. How can you make this expression more polite? How can you make this expression more polite? Yes, please send me the mail. Correct. Very good. Then next, go away or leave me alone. Go away or leave me alone. Polite expression instead of this. Let me be. Let me be. Yes, correct. Who responded that? Let me be by myself. Please let me be by myself. Please leave me alone. Okay. Okay. Let me be by myself. Yes, correct. Your responses are correct. Let me be by myself. Or please, will you kept me alone? You can say like that also. Then you are wrong. You are wrong. You don't think you are wrong? Okay. Are you sure you are correct? Yes, that is most appropriate polite response. Are you sure you are correct? Very good. Then that's a bad idea. That's a bad idea. That is not a very good idea, is it? Okay, that is not a very good idea. I think your idea is not that much good. That idea can be better. Yes, you can use such expressions, polite expression over there. Your work isn't good. Your work isn't good. Your work need improvement. That is also correct. You can do with some more improvement. Yes, your work isn't good. You can do some improvement in your work. Yes, correct. Your work needs to improve. Okay, your work needs improvement. Correct. You can work good rather than that. Okay, yes, your responses are correct. More of the responses are correct. You can do more improvement in your work. You can politely say like that. See, then next activity, edit the paragraph using a and the wherever necessary. As you know, a and the are the articles in English. You have to keep that more appropriate article instead of those given more options. Here, Rakesh is, what will be the proper over there? Rakesh is an. Rakesh is an ideal son who remained devoted to his father as grows professionally to become a famous doctor. A famous doctor. As his father grows old, he takes care to spend time with his father, bringing him tea in the morning and taking him a walk out for a walk in the evening. Okay, these are the correct responses. Yes, an ideal, a famous doctor in the morning for a walk in the evening. These are the correct answers. आर्टिकलचा करेक्ट यूज याच प्रकारे असेल तिथं. ठीक आहे. देन नेक्स्ट ऍक्टिव्हिटी स्पॉट द एरर. Spot the error in each of the following sentences and correct the incorrect ones. एरर काय आहे वाक्यात शोधायचं आणि इनकरेक्ट सेंटेन्स आहे ते करेक्ट करायचे. स्पॉट द एरर मध्ये बघा, राधा ब्रॉट पेन्स Radha brought pens and distributed them between her 5 children. Distributed in between 5 children. Where is the error in this sentence? Yes. Yes. Instead of brought, you have to use bought as the verb. Buy, bought म्हणजे खरेदी करणे. BOUGHT. And instead of between, you have to write instead of between, at the place of between, you have to write among. We can use between as the preposition where two things or two persons are there. दोन व्यक्तींमध्ये जर ते वाटायचं असतं ना तर बिटवीन आलं असतं. ठीक आहे, पण दोनापेक्षा जास्त आहे म्हणून ते अमंग लिहावं लागेल. ब्रॉटच्या ऐवजी बॉट. राधा बॉट पेन्स अँड डिस्ट्रीब्युटेड देम अमंग 5 children. Okay, then Jayashree and Sujata sat besides each other in complete beside each other in complete silence. Yes, besides only. फक्त beside पाहिजे, besides नको. ठीक आहे, beside फक्त पाहिजे तिथं. Then his best friend Vijay was blind within one eye. Within one eye. Yes, which is correct? In one eye. In one eye is the correct response. In one eye. Instead of within, here you should use in. One could dare to encroach on his rights. One could not dare. One could not dare. Yes, correct. Here is the error. One could not dare. Then she was taken with a surprise when she saw the famous Taj Mahal. When she saw the famous Taj Mahal. By surprise. Instead of with, we have to use by. Then it is not possible to exchange the goods once the sale has been completed. It is not possible to exchange. It is not possible to exchange the goods. Yes. Instead of the good, it is not possible to exchange goods once the sale has been completed. Okay, then Dr. Sen Gupta has been trying to master the craft for last 5 years. Yes, it is correct sentence. Dr. Sen Gupta has been trying to master. It is correct sentence. Then top ranking candidate will be appointed in senior jobs in bank. Top ranking candidates will be appointed to senior job. Instead of in, you have to write to, to. Then she knows very well what is expected of her, but she is unable to perform. And last sentence, they will put up on. They will put up a note in this regard for your consideration. They will put up a note. Put on nahi, put up a note. Okay. Yes, many of you responded correctly. Here you have to identify the error and correct that error. Remove that error from the sentence. Such kind of activity will be there in final exam, board exam also. So be prepared for such kind of activities. Then next activity, read the following sentence. Read the following sentence. Santosh purchased a computer. He read the operating manual and followed the instruction. He linked the monitor, keyboard, printer. He plugged in the main cable. He switched on the monitor at the back. When the light appeared on the screen, he placed the day disk in drive A. He pushed in the disk until the button clicked out. He pressed the drive button and the disk shut out. He replaced the day disk and with the document disk, he pressed the function key 7. These are some of the guidelines or the sentences, if you observe, are in simple past tense. हे सगळे sentences simple past tense मधले. ओके, आता पुढे काय सांगितलंय? See, convert these sentences into passive voice. आता हे sentences passive voice मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचे आणि दिलेला हा टेबल जो आहे तो कंप्लीट करायचा आहे. Within a 5 minutes I'm going to complete this our lecture. Okay, हे संपवायचंय लेक्चर आज किंवा आज हा पार्ट संपवायचा आहे 5 मिनिटात संपेल. ठीक आहे, आता बघा, हे सिंपल पास्ट टेन्सच्या वाक्याचा पॅसिव्ह वॉइस तुम्हाला लिहायचा आहे सगळीकडे. जसं की फर्स्टली मॉनिटर, कीबोर्ड अँड प्रिंटर वेअर लिंक्ड अप. देन the main cable was plugged in. The main cable was plugged in. Then the monitor was switched on. See, if you make the passive voice of those sentences, you will get the answer. But here, by him is not used here. बघा, कधी कधी पॅसिव्ह वॉइस मध्ये कोण एजंट आहे, कुणी काम ते वर्क केलेलं आहे ते नाही लिहिलं तरी चालतं. बाय हिम असा उल्लेख तुम्हाला कुठेही तिथं दिसत नाही. ओके, त्या करेक्ट केलेल्या सेंटेन्स मध्ये तुम्ही बाय हिम असा उल्लेख न पॅसिव्ह वॉइस करायचा नाही, हे लक्षात ठेवा. Complete this. We'll discuss about this table while studying in passive voice in some of the upcoming lectures. Then A5 activity, write a speech on Cassie is the light of life with the help of following points. People have a good impression of you. Cassie is the light of life. म्हणजे शिष्टाचार हा तुमच्या जीवनामध्ये जीवन प्रकाशमान करतो. शिष्टाचार हा तुमचं जीवन प्रकाशमान करतो, असं टायटलचं तुम्हाला स्पीच लिहायचंय, त्याच्यावरती भाषण लिहायचंय. वी ऑलरेडी स्टडीड स्पीच रायटिंग इन 11. ओके, राईट द स्पीच ऑन दिस गिवन पॉइंट. पीपल हॅव अ गुड इम्प्रेशन ऑफ यू. दोज बघा, हे सेपरेटली आपण शिकणारच आहे, पण सध्या तरी आता इथं each and everything discuss करणं पॉसिबल नाही. You will be acknowledged and appreciated by all. You will be happier and contented with the life. You can take the help of these points while writing the speech. Cassie is on the topic, Cassie is the light of life. Then next activity, there is one slide in between this, right? Manners met man. पेज नंबर 25 वरची एक स्लाइड राहिली बघायचं घ्यायची. मे बी ती व्ह्यू होत नाही, पण त्याच्यामध्ये मॅनर्स मेक मॅन एक्सपांड द आयडिया इन युअर ओन वर्ड्स. मॅनर्स मेक मॅन म्हणजे शिष्टाचार माणसाला घडवतात, अशा टायटलचे एक्सपान्शन ऑफ आयडियासाठी टॉपिक आहे, तो तुम्हाला एक्सपांड करायचा आहे. देन रीड A.G. Gardner's essay The Open Window and compare its theme with the essay on Saying Please. A.D. Gardner यांचा एसे आहे द ओपन विंडो, तो वाचा, त्याच्याविषयीची माहिती कलेक्ट करा आणि ऑन सेइंग प्लीज याच्या बरोबर तो कम्पेअर करा. जॉन किट, ते किट जे आहेत, किट्स जे आहेत, ते म्हणतात की नथिंग क्लिअर अप माय स्पिरिट्स लाईक अ फाईन डे. Collect the information of the poet Kit and write it in your notebook. Nothing clear up my spirit like a fine day. एखाद्या चांगल्या दिवसापेक्षा माझा मूड चांगला करणारं दुसरं काही नाही, असं किट म्हणता येतं. त्यांचे ते वाक्य आहे, कोटेशन आहे. तर collect the information about the poet kit and write it in your notebook. Then A7 activities, soft skills are required in all walks of life, including career and industries. Soft skills are very much required to us in all walks of life, including career and industries. They are increasingly become an essential skills of the today's workforce. Soft skills are integral part of finding, attracting, remaining clients also. Highly developed presentation skills, networking abilities and etiquette awareness can help you to win new clients and gain more work. Okay, so here is one activity given to you. What is that activity? The following are considered the most important soft skill. हे जे दिलेत, leadership, interpersonal relationship, flexibility or adaptability, teamwork, communication, problem solving skill, work ethics. These are very much required, very important soft skills. So by using these soft skills, by studying these soft skills, you can get job in, or you can do the course regarding those soft skills. See, following are the institutions where you will get the courses related to soft skills. If you want to improve your soft skills, you can get different courses at different प्लस बघा वेगवेगळे सॉफ्ट स्किल्सशी रिलेटेड कोर्सेस तुम्हाला इंडियन इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट अहमदाबाद गुजरात या ठिकाणी शिकायला मिळतील. तसंच इंडियन स्कूल ऑफ बिझनेस मॅनेजमेंट हैदराबाद इथं काही सॉफ्ट स्किल्सशी रिलेटेड सब्जेक्ट तुम्हाला शिकता येतील, कोर्सेस शिकता येतील. XLRI झेवियर्स स्कूल ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट जमशेदपूर, अल्सो इंडियन इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ फॉरेन ट्रेड न्यू दिल्ली या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला सॉफ्ट स्किल्सच्या रिलेटेड कोर्सेस शिकता येतील. अँड वेअर विल यू गेट द जॉब आफ्टर कम्प्लिशन ऑफ दिस कोर्स? यू विल बी वर्क ॲज द कस्टमर सर्व्हिस centers. At the customer service centers, you will work at the management schools, you will work at the hotel industry. Okay, so you have the jobs available here in those three different places, or we can say these are the professions. या काही क्षेत्रामध्ये तुम्हाला जॉब अवेलेबल आहे. ओके, ठीक आहे. ऍक्टिव्हिटी सगळ्या तुम्ही लिहायच्या आहेत तुमच्या नोटबुक मध्ये. इफ यू हॅव एनी डाऊट रिगार्डिंग एनी ऑफ द पॉइंट, आता काही पॉइंट डिस्कस केले नाहीत रायटिंग स्किल मधले, तर हे इथं डिस्कस करणं ते पॉसिबल पण होत नाही. ठीक आहे. इफ यू हॅव एनी डाऊट रिगार्डिंग एनी ऑफ द ऍक्टिव्हिटी, यू कॅन आस्क मी अगेन. ओके, थँक यू व्हेरी मच. We'll stop here. Thank you. We'll see in next lecture.